Legiones Astartes, Sicaran Arcus, and Punisher Squadron. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the latest for Legions Imperialis, Warhammer the Horus Heresy. Yes, this is the Legiones Astartes, Sicaran Arcus, and Punisher Squadron for the tabletop game of epic combat. Yes, this box is for Epic Citadel miniatures. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for their support and continued support. And a big thank you to everybody here on the YouTube clicking that membership button. Big thank yous to you all. Sicaran. These tanks, very, very cool. They're making their way to plastic on the tabletop in the epic scale. And yeah, the Arcus Squadron, the ones with this big old missile launcher cannon thingies. And then the Punisher Squad. Punisher Squad's pretty darn cool. Yeah. The Arcus, yeah, they're like missile launchers or something, eh? Yeah. Very, very cool. Gives you a little bit of color guides. Also looks like it comes with a transfer sheet. Very, very interesting. It is 4 Citadel miniatures, and usually on the back of the box is about the size of the model once complete, so you can get an idea on how big the model should be once you get into it. But I think that's enough gum flapping from me. Time to bust out the trusty, rusty blade of destiny. Now, this box was supplied to me with the shrink wrap on it, so I was very, very happy to see that. And in fact, I was so darn happy. You know what? Let's come in for a little bit of ASMR. All right, here we go. You ready? You're ready. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, that wasn't much. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Here we go. Here we go. That was a little bit better. That was a little bit better. All right, let's get it. Rah, rah, rah. Okay, so let's have a look inside the box. Yes, I do enjoy when they do this on the boxes. I know it's a dumb thing to get excited about, but I enjoy it. So we open up the box. We are greeted right away with the instruction guide. It is paper leaflet kind of thing here. Gives us the 2 options for the Arcus and the Punisher variant on the Sicaran battle frame, I guess. So the lascannon and heavy bolters on the sides, and you get the Arcus. Looks like you get the missile launchers. Those look like the missile launchers to me. And then the Punisher cannon, very, very cool. You also get sponsons. You can do like a closed hatch, or open hatch with a storm bolter. Very, very nice. We get our transfer sheet of the Legions. I think this is the standard transfer sheet for all of the Legions Imperialis. It has all 18 legions in here: Dark Angels, Emperor's Children, Iron Warriors, White Scars, Space Wolves, Imperial Fists, Night Lords, Blood Angels, Iron Hands, World Eaters, Ultramarines, Death Guard, Thousand Sons, Sons of Horus, Word Bearers, Salamanders, Raven Guard, and the Alpha Legion. And then of course it also gives us white numbers, black numbers, and then like normal kind of numbers, like these are Roman numerals, these are just regular numbers, and then little skulls. And you need lots of little skulls because, you know, this is Warhammers. This is the Warhammers. And we get 2 frames. Are they identical? They look pretty darn identical to me, so which means it's probably what, 2 tanks per frame. Very, very cool. And in fact, we will come in for a closer look. Yeah, you know, we'll give it a little test. We'll do a little test. Get down tonight. All right. So here we are, having a look at the Sicaran Arcus and Punisher tanks. We can see all the lovely, lovely details. The lascannons, the heavy bolters. Like, I wonder, like, I'm looking at the heavy bolters and the lascannons, and like they're immediately recognizable as such. And like, they're tiny. Those are tiny little heavy bolters and tiny little lascannons. And yet, they're instantly recognizable, which is very, very interesting. I know I'm sure some of you are out there like, Chris, I don't really care. Why would I find that interesting? Well, because it represents the amount of attention to detail that goes into a lot of the thought behind these sculpts. That the silhouette of objects is so darn important. The silhouette of a lascannon, the silhouette of a heavy bolter, right? Like these things, we might not really realize it, but these things are ingrained into our brains as far as, what we expect to see on a miniature. But yeah, very, very exciting stuff. I just enjoy this stuff. Been a long time fan. And I'm waiting for Legion Imperialis to exit the honeymoon phase, as it were, and get into some proper epic scale combat. Not just the Horus Heresy. I'm talking, let's get some Xenos involved, right? Some Xenos. Let's get some Xenos in this thing. Okay, so Sicaran battle tank. Let's have a quick little sniff. Oh yeah. What's an Arcus? Well, I mean, that's a Sicaran tank. I mean, what did you expect? What were you expecting? I wasn't expecting that. I was kind of surprised at that, actually. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. That is our look at the Sicaran Arcus and Punisher Squadron for the Legiones Astartes in Legion Imperialis Warhammer the Horus Heresy, the game of epic scale combat. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for their continued support, as well as all you brand new ones. Big thank yous to you all. If you're watching this on YouTube's, clicking that membership button helps the channel out as well. And all it takes is a couple clicks of a button, and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes time to do that. Take care of your brushes. They'll take care of you. And I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review, maybe a painting tutorial, maybe a live stream, maybe even a battle report. Who knows? Who even knows? All right. Goodbye.